Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp voice message problem. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your smartphone settings and go into the app management. Click on app list, search for the WhatsApp, and here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. So once you done that, you simply need to allow all permissions. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Play Store and search for the WhatsApp, and you need to update your WhatsApp. As you can see, my WhatsApp is up to date. Once you done that, you simply need to restart your smartphone and log in back into your WhatsApp account, and after that your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.